First, an update on the daily numbers. Today, there are 10,772 new community cases of Covid-19, with 788 hospitalisations and 21 deaths to report. So our 7-day rolling averages are for cases 9,858, for hospitalisations 764, and deaths 23. These have all increased over the past week, as you will know. So overall, in recent weeks, we saw rapidly increasing case rates. However, this does seem to have slowed in the last week or so. It's encouraging, but at this point we're treating that with caution. At this stage, we are still expecting further increases in cases and hospitalisations, according to the modelling that our teams have done. So effectively what we've seen in the last week is about a 4.5% increase in case rates over the previous week. Now that compares with a 33% increase the week prior. So again, that rate has slowed. And our case rates and wastewater results do show that the cases are increasing across all regions around New Zealand. Again, our hospitalisation rate for the week to 17 July increased by 28%, so that's quite a significant increase. And nearly 1 in 20 patients admitted to hospital at the moment are returning a positive COVID result. While the initial Omicron outbreak back in March and April was most prominent amongst younger population, the rates are now higher in our older folk, particularly over 65s. So for the week ending 17th July, there was also a significant increase in the number of cases in aged residential care at 793, an increase from 729 the week before. So that was a significant increase, but again it was slower, quite a bit slower than the increase the previous week. However, overall these figures reinforce the comments I made last Thursday. That is a significant increase in Omicron cases, a surge driven in particular by the more transmissible BA5 Omicron subvariant, and later this week we will be able to look at what the proportion of cases are that are due to the BA5, but we're fully expecting that will have increased and will continue to do so. This is entirely consistent with what is happening across the Tasman in Australia. I'm sure you're following that, and indeed in many Northern Hemisphere countries, including those that are experiencing heat waves at the moment, so they're not in winter.